Welcome to Investing 101. Today we're diving into the investment potential of Fanbasis in 2025. Let's start with understanding what Fanbasis is and its market positioning in 2025. Fanbasis has shown significant growth potential. We'll explore its unique investment opportunities. What are the benefits of investing in Fanbasis? Let's discuss the strong engagement and community support. There are various investment options available within Fanbasis. Let's identify them together. With great potential comes great risk. We need to analyze the risks associated with investing in Fanbasis. Ready to get started? Here are the steps to create an account and begin investing in Fanbasis. Let's talk about strategies for managing your investment effectively within Fanbasis. Research and staying informed is key to successful investing. Here are some resources you can utilize. Avoiding pitfalls is crucial. Let's go over some common mistakes to avoid while investing in Fanbasis. In conclusion, investing in Fanbasis in 2025 presents a unique opportunity. Stay informed, manage wisely, and enjoy the journey.